Mikey G, big up.
It's alright with me to kill a sound boy.
Different.
We gotta show them cavalry ain't no talk. We gonna throw some that place to your head. We gonna whip you and make sure you're dead.
Go down,
kill a sound boy in the night,
you know?
Sister Marcia afraid they take on the energy. So we know say I know Catholic good Lord, yes, you may answer Calvary prayer. From Moshe and the Missouri, you would lift the next up on you put the tip of the iron from all embarrassment and misery. I was born again.
Mike is Spice, man.
Tip of the free from sin. Calvary song. They say a long time them no see it like this. Don't be making around this history. Only a fool would I want come test Calvary when them end up in a cemetery. All I want was a musical vibe to chill and just rock to the juggling. All of a sudden, them run come fight. Don't play and hit them tonight. Tonight I'm murder. We say not arrow to them heart. We say not dope to them head. Some were burning in the fire. 911 can stop. Oh, here I come, and here I am. I'm over it, I'm come kill someone. Oh, here I come, and here I am. Boom, salute of record. Tell some return of a done. Hey, this is a warning, praise to God. Them need to see a morning, yeah. Take for this, it's a warning, praise to God. Them need to see a morning.
Here's the T-Star, big up.
Hey,
Jason, big up.
see some people that pop the nuts and hate to come in and take up a report. Tell some people. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sure. I tried a lifetime to find you. Give me a moment just to remind you of the sound we will kill today. I hear me jump and get into me way. I see confusion in their eyes, and maybe they're a little surprised the way I Calvary gonna play tonight, yeah. And the doublets that you're bright. Kill a sound, Calvary. Any song that touch me up, yes, we gonna bust them head with a plate. Show them that Calvary no play. Calvary, kill them free. Yes, make everyone see. Any sound test Calvary, I go die. We gonna show them Calvary with a play tonight. Whoa, whoa. Calvary again, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Sure. A Calvary sound in the place. I guess we're in a come to watch the face. Every song come I want embrace. And it's a place that we play. Calvary rule, yeah. And the DBD sound can't test me, oh yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Calvary rule. And the DBD sound boy never can test me. No, day. Sound of when you're there from when. Wonder where you must have been. Calvary with a big friend. Or we not run to bust it up on them. You recording me. My God. Sound boy, you die. Ooh, you dies. Alright, look here. I remember when Sound Clash started. Right then and there, Calvary get dark. But no one cannot play like we. No, we. And as soon as our dub plates play, all of the sounds run away. Them can't select like we know. We. From the moment Tipper-D play tune, we did sense that you was afraid to. Clash in a dance car, we will done you. Now you know that we were made to kill.
Yeah, big bad sound called Cavalry Cartel. Saying with a man like Tipper-D. All the people from Grenada, all the people from London, England, Dave yourself, Leroy Gibbons, so run the track. Where you come from, media sound boy? killer. Force is a slaughterer. Cavalry is a murderer. Hey! No, you should never test cavalry sound. No, a guy should never test the champion. No, you should never test the murdering sound. A guy should never test cavalry. So when a clash time comes around, the send for sound from all across town. Cavalry fling the whole of them to the ground.
Is it dead,
because
dead?
the whole of them are idiot sound. I tell a guy, no, you should never test the champion. I said, no, you should never test cavalry. No, you should never test the cavalry sound.
Tell them, say you walk with the rifle, them wet all, make black rain start fall. Mama ball, puffer run him down the hospital. Them try get way, but how them couldn't reach far. Shut up, burn them skin like Cuban cigar. WAR, couldn't with them war. Shut up, cash in at them body like yar. Gunshot fi boy, the body no left scar. Body left fan talk, and we on the gun up.
Oh, gas them up, how we can bust the cylinder. What take in a cavalry,
I've got the window.
we not fly, kick in a chest, in a ninja. Pull a give chin in a index finger. Bust the cylinder, cooler than winter. Dirty chair, dog you never let it incha. Take with them like them coulda faster than a sprinter. Pussy that show up your take sound man thing for. Bust the cylinder, turn in a your bed. Cavalry sound, we keep on in at the end.
The champion sound this enough. Yo. Cavalry cartel, we make them know. Say, no, we have big cavalry, so we have big bad sound, and we are killer. Once I'm gonna make them know, some song called Cavalry Cartel. Them for know, so we are going good. You see me, the thing hot, I cook. Some boy, them rice not even as well. That's how the thing said. You see me, say, tip of the large up. I'm digs. He's a man like Kiki, yeah. And that me saying, Brahma. Grenade and the whole crew. From West London, them for know. Man, a bad man. And the champion sound, this, you know. Yo. Cavalry cartel, we make them know. Say, no, we have big cavalry, so we have big bad sound, and we have kill out our sound blood clot. Killing is a habit, them fi know, so from we lick a bit to crab it, we have kill out our sound blood clot. We don't mind nobody when you criticize this and lose your life, we have kill out our sound blood clot. Enough of them are envy this, so we should have them sound it quick, we have kill out our...
Hit me. And Sabaka sound a chuck it round we a go. And Sabaka never run up them mouth ya go. And yo, Cavalry Cartel. Yeah, hear me now, Tippa D. You got us murder sound, you must get shell. All the Grenada crew, St. Paul, Richmond Hill, West London. You know where so Cavalry come from. So some boy, motherfucking sounds. Gonna think, gonna push on. Yeah, hear me now. Some boy. Hit me. And Sabaka sound a chuck it round we a go. And Sabaka never run up them mouth we a go. And Sabaka them a go like them but we a go. And Sabaka's a Mickey Mouse. That's yo. Come fight with Hulk Hogan. This the program. Think we soft like a Pillsbury door man. You come buck up in a corner. Pump you down like a when a lead the fight Charles Foreman. No carry sword. We no Roman. We no showman. Where we carry we keep that down low man is. After you the people know say we did a showman. Make you down like a frosty. Dance so back a sound a chuck it pound we winner. Dance so back and them a run up them out winner. And so back and them a go like them a we a go. And so back as a watch out.
Hey yo sonny, first of all give me my money. I use my money and I make the whole place for me. Funny, see them when I get my money from me. Cavalry come to kill some sound, you know that I'm with it. 10 sound dead, fucking right we did it. 3 never sure, so we make sure we kill it. We make sure we kill it. If I did I tell them gonna kill some sound, you know that I'm with it. If 10 sound dead, you damn right we kill it. 3 never sure, so we make sure we kill it. We make sure we kill it. Cavalry I tell them. If you see me walking down the street, bush to the bone and we cologne is smelling sweet. And guess they passing by the nothing way, always on it. With bells and Gabbana, you know so that not.
Cavalry enough for them, them pussy, then no like we call with nice. Above the 16 and
East.
Now we roll, Cavalry Cartel. 121 man family represent. Easy Tippa D, don't know the one Grenada. St. Paul's bad man. 121.
Cavalry enough for them, them pussy, then no like we call with nice. Above the 16 and put the pussy them for nice. Turn off as a slur, turn off the one, off as it twice. Walk, click, talk, head, push on your choice. Fuck up the whole world with this a new music device. I saw we in a them head and then we not come out like lights. I will for y'all don't know we want to roll them like a dice. I fire for the sound, we hit the pussy like a rice. I know for them no like we do it through a slam joints. You this tip a deep in the ear, the guns them ice. We drop the girl teeth and that really no suffice. And if them think we done, we a go give them a surprise. I will say them a shot and a go drift with ice. We nice, but that me really not to tell you twice. And try to put we down, we a go rise again like Christ. And we burn our sound boy, burn our sound boy, burn them up and
and after them a free.
Don't say nobody not your friend. I hear them. Calvary Cartel. Learn out the mercy, we no get it back yet. This Calvary, me say a dead. Hey boy, give away with pity, destroy a city. Check say a joke we a make. Keep on no mercy at all, bitter like all. Make sure say enough name you call. Else we get all your marrow flash out on the wall. You with a roll like ball, Calvary Cartel. Nah no brethren, lend gal we chain, and we lend gal we ring. Pattern we stove, where they in a we kitchen. Nothing can do good. If we lend we session, a gal come borrow tip of mercy. And you lend Kim, when he made the feet, you know guess what happen. Our man take plane with it like Ghana foreign. Him have been pleased, people they go fight.
Some boy them a chat off them out, and I try get me out, take away kick out the 32 teeth out them out, them a chat off. Calvary Cartel. Yeah, something me have to tell you, something like a bad mind sound boy. True, them see ya go on well, you know. Boy, them bad mind, they think, remember we are, yo, run out them pussy well, you know. Them feel like I joke something I go on here, some man. Yo, tip a talk to them boy there and tell them, man. How are they there? Yo, tell me and tell them something, yo. Sure. Some boy them a chat off them out, and I try get me out, tip away kick out the 32 teeth out them out. Them a chat off them out, and I try get me out, Calvary Cartel and we run them. Them a chat off them out, and I try get me out, tip away kick out 32 teeth out them out. Them a chat off them out, and I try get me out. Feed the feed, yeah, chop. Me a me and a girl them a lick out, and we want the whole of them feel leave and get out. Who don't feel we a drape up and kick out? Calvary Cartel and we run the route. That's why I say, step it up in a life without a doubt. Some boy, give me a fight and I try get me out. Step it up to we a mention and son boy, you go lose him life. In a the blood clot dance tonight as they play. We know them serious, no sound can take with stride. No way, cause of the folly clash, whipping the brown. We never once get thrown down, so I keep on standing up and put sun on the ground. Pussy, you will get gunshot in your face. This will leave the place. Cavalry, yeah. Cavalry Cartel sound. I want to them. Tipper man a bad man, them pussy they a clown. Hey, me no argument, run a rhythm, cause bad man a fuck pitches and natural thing. Let me tell you something, this is Beanie Man, the dancehall king. Stand, bang, yeah. Cavalry Cartel sound. Alright, let me tell you something. Tipper son boy, you gonna lose him life. In a the blood clot dance tonight as they play. We know them serious, no sound can take with stride. No way, cause of the holy clash, whipping the brown. We never once get thrown down, so I keep on standing up and put sun on the ground. Pussy, you will get gunshot in your face. This will leave the place. Cavalry Cartel will make sure so you lose the race. Yeah. Bad man don't live again. Millennium princess like queen. This tip of the pussy while your head back shot off clean. Okay, son boy you bad up, you get a gunshot. Come down the dancing back and chat, you get a gunshot. Pussy while you bad like that, you get a gunshot. How was that man? How was that man? You this tip of the, you get a gunshot. Get a shot in your face with a buckshot. Bad man there you know, me no take shot. How was that man? How was that man? That's not right. Some boy them the pussy like a rice. Some boy don't know they but them a vamp in a night. Right? Me say your girl gon' fight. Pop up on the sheet and she a drink for your pipe. Wait, no for them a ball free. This cavalry, you me shot man for free. Pussy hole, this the program without mercy. Bad man, no pity.
Wait them on, how who that a come? Wait them on, Cavalry can't done. Wait them on, how who that a come? Wait them on, the cartel now make no fun. Wait them on, how who that a come? Wait them on, Cavalry you can't. So first of all, more big up.
Cavalry Cartel sound. Big up yourself to the maximum. Tip of the you don't know, say you respect large, you know. I ain't time we a kill sound boy when I have to camouflage. And that me I tell some sound boy run.